Hello friends, I am Deb and welcome to Blogging Vitals YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you two methods to add a WordPress plugin in your website. But before starting, please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to turn on notification. Now let's start. First you need to go to your WordPress dashboard. I am in my WordPress dashboard of fitgirlpoint.com. And here you can see the left menu bar where all the options are available like post, media, page, comments. You need to choose the plugin option and go to add new, and here you can see they are showing lots of plugins here, and here is a search box where you can search any plugin with keyword or author or tag. Also here are options like feature plugins, popular plugins, recommended plugins and favorite plugins. You can explore all of them. Here you can see in popular plugin, contact form 7, Yoast SEO plugin are showing. So to add a new plugin, what you need to do is search the plugin in this search box. Like if you want to add a cache plugin, say W3 total cache, then search for W3 total cache. And now you can see the search result where the first result is W3 total cache. Now suppose you don't have any idea what plugin you are going to install, you just know that you are going to install a cache plugin, so just search for the keyword like cache. And you can see they are showing results like light speed cache and then the W3 total cache, WP fastest cache. So lots of options are showing. You can see the ratings here, how many ratings are provided, and also you can check like more details option to see what this plugin is about, and also the features of these plugins, like what these plugins can do. Like this plugin can do image optimization, CSS, JavaScript and HTML minification. This kind of features are added in these plugins, so you can check all these things. And after you decide to install the plugins, all you need to do is hit this install now button, and as you can see the plugin is installing, and now the plugin is installed and a activate button is showing here. So click on the activate button to apply the plugin in your website. And as you can see in this installed plugins list, Lightspeed cache is showing and it is in active state. You can deactivate it or you can check the settings from here. So this is the first method to add a plugin in your website. Now the second method to add a plugin in your website is by downloading the plugin from outside and uploading it and then installing and activating it in your website. So how to do that? For that, first you need to download the plugin. I am showing it for Jetpack plugin, so let's download the Jetpack plugin first. You can get the plugin from wordpress.org. As you can see, wordpress.org and Jetpack by wordpress.com. Click on this link, and then here you can see the download button here. Click on the download button to download the plugin, and the plugin is downloading 6.5 MB. So the plugin is now downloaded. Let's upload it. To do that, go to your WordPress dashboard and then click on add new plugins, and from there click on this upload plugin option, and here you can see a option to choose file where you can upload a file from your PC. So I am uploading the Jetpack file. and now the file is uploaded. You can install it now with this install now button. Click on this button, and now here is this option to activate the plugin. So click on the activate plugin button, and here you go, your plugin is activated. Now you can set up the plugin. So there it is, 2 methods to install a plugin in your website. So friends, if you like the video, please hit the like button and share the video with your friends, and visit my blog Blogging Vitals for complete WordPress tutorial series. Thank you for watching.